How'd it do it?
Lost the prime on the
Transmission fluid.
we got out there that wire division.
Okay.
It just dawned on me what happened, Hank.
Yeah, that's right.
What this on the back of that, it's got a transmission pump on the winch drive line,
Yeah.
and what it's done is lost its prime. And I think once I put some fluid in it, it'll pick up
Yeah.
and it'll go,
We can drive this thing out of here.
and we can drive it to.
We'll drive it to the drive-through. Now, I'm not saying you couldn't do it, but that's expensive.
Yeah. What was that, $6 a gallon?
Sure was.
It might not have hurt to have checked that, but I can actually see it down there now. But since I don't have just a quart left, I'm going all the way.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Now go. Golly.
You started chanting, and it got me.
Listen,
excited.
you was done good till the end.
Well, you should have chanted, guys.
Well, I'm sorry.
That's all right. It's the seat. I'm resting on the seat. It's a lot of things that's out of view of your camera audience.
You're missing the whole thing.
All right, I'm done.
Well, you got 4.2 gallons in there.
So now the cost went up to $7 a
Yeah.
gallon.
You actually put $7 a gallon in there. Oh my God.
Let's see what happens now.
Oh my goodness. Well, I've got to put that wire back on that starter.
Let's see if our young apprentice Jacob can remember how to short out the starter like his old man.
Oh, I definitely don't.
What I did, I used it. Yep.
Yep.
Touch that scant wire. Yeah. Touch it to the hot. Okay. Go.
Hey, fire right. Oh, you dropped your coat. Oh, it's already moving. Yeah, I saw the move. I saw the tires. Look, hey! You did it, Wiley. You did it, buddy. Look at that. Oh, it's coming out of his grave. Look at that. That is awesome. We can walk a little easier on this now. How cool is that? From there, man, how many years has it sat there? Don't get down there and get in no creek.